have to study halogen derivatives according to new syllabus. Halogen derivatives related to organic chemistry. Name of the chapter is halogen derivatives. Halogen derivatives means these are the derivatives of hydrocarbons. Hydrocarbons that may be aliphatic or may be aromatic. Means when you have to replace one or more hydrogen atoms of aliphatic hydrocarbon or aromatic hydrocarbons, the new compounds are often, that is that hydrogen we have to replace by halogen atoms. New compounds, new derivatives are obtained, they are called as halogen derivatives. Means yes, here we have to replace hydrogen from alkane, alkene, alkynes. We know that alkane, alkane and alkynes are aliphatic hydrocarbons. As well as we have to replace from the aromatic hydrocarbon like a benzene, naphthalene, like this. Means suppose we have alkane, CH3, CH2, CH3. We know that this one is the compound propane. Suppose we have taken CH2 double bond CH2, that is ethene. These are the parent hydrocarbons. This one is the parent hydrocarbon alkene, then HC triple bond CH, alkyne, and aromatic ring, suppose the benzene. Okay. Now we have to study, these are the aliphatic hydrocarbons. These are the aliphatic hydrocarbons. Aliphatic hydrocarbons. And this one is the aromatic hydrocarbon. Aromatic hydrocarbon. Okay. Now suppose we have to replace one of the hydrogen from these aliphatic or aromatic hydrocarbon by halogen. Suppose this one we have to replace by halogen. Halogens means X, that is fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. Here again we have to replace one hydrogen by X. Hydrogen by X means halogen, and here we know that there are 6 carbon, 6 hydrogen atoms. One of the hydrogen we have to replace by halogen. Now these compounds are the halogen derivatives. So based upon the skeleton, here skeleton changed. Here carbon, single bond, here double bond, triple bond, aromatic. So based upon skeleton, based upon the skeleton, classification we have to done, and these halogen derivatives are classified as, this one is the haloalkane, because we have to replace the hydrogen from alkane. Here these are the haloalkenes, because here we have to replace the hydrogen from alkene. Haloalkynes and haloarenes. So these are the classification of halogen derivatives based upon the skeleton. Okay. Here we have to replace only one hydrogen, but we know that we have to replace more than one hydrogen. So based upon the how much number of hydrogen atoms we have to replace by halogen, these are again classified. They are classification based upon the number of halogen atoms. Classification based upon the number of halogen atoms. So they are classified as monohalogens. They are also called monohalogen derivatives. Monohalogens, dihalogens. They are also called as dihalogen derivatives. And trihalogens. These trihalogens or trihalogen compounds. Trihes. So monohalogens, dihalogens, trihalogens. These are the prefix we have to use mono. Here we have to use the di, and here we have to use tri. Means these are the compounds that may be a haloalkane, haloalkene, haloalkynes or haloarenes. these monohalogens consist of only one halogen atom. Mono, only one. Di, it consists of two halogen atom. And tri means they consist of three halogen atom. म्हणजे ज्यावेळेस आपल्याकडे अलिफॅटिक किंवा अरोमॅटिक कंपाऊंड असणार आपण एक किंवा एकापेक्षा जास्त हायड्रोजन त्याच्या हॅलोजननी रिप्लेस करणार. मग जर आपण एकच हायड्रोजन रिप्लेस केला एका हॅलोजननी तर मोनो हॅलोजन्स और मोनो हॅलोजन कंपाऊंड्स. दोन रिप्लेस केले हायड्रोजन दोन हॅलोजननी तर डायहॅलोजन कंपाऊंड्स. आणि तीन हायड्रोजन तीन हॅलोजननी रिप्लेस केले तर ट्रायहॅलोजन कंपाऊंड्स. फॉर एक्झाम्पल सपोज CH3 CH2 CH2 CH3. We know that this one is the N-butane. We have to replace the hydrogen from the terminal carbon, suppose by Cl. So it becomes L-butyl chloride. N-butyl chloride. Nomenclature we have to state later. But this one is the monohalogen. Only one halogen is there. Suppose we have to replace the CH3 CH CH2 CH3 Cl. It consists of only one halogen, so these are the monohalogen derivatives. This one is the secondary butyl chloride. Okay. Or suppose aromatic ring we have taken, and one of the hydrogen we have replaced by halogen. So now this compound is formed, that is called as haloarine. So these are the monohalogen derivatives. Like this, if the compounds consist of two halogen atoms. Suppose we have taken CH3, CH2, CH3. This one is the parent alkane propane. Suppose we have to replace hydrogen from terminal carbon by Cl. The dihalogen, two halogen atoms. So it is the dihalogen. This one is the geminal dihalide. Geminal. Because two halogen atoms are present on the same carbon atom. While CH2, CH2, Cl, Cl. Or propane we have taken and we have to replace the hydrogen from adjacent carbon, so it becomes the vicinal dihalide. Vicinal. These are the dihalides. Aromatic ring we have taken, and suppose we have to replace the any two hydrogen from two halogen. Suppose that is we have to replace by like this. Then we know that these positions are ortho positions. 1, 2 positions are the ortho. 1, 3 positions are the meta. 1, 5, 1, 4 positions are the pap. So now this becomes a dihalogen. Correct? So dihalogen derivatives are obtained here. Suppose these are replaced by Cl. So we have to call it ortho-dichlorobenzene, or IUPAC nomenclature is 1,2-dichlorobenzene. Similarly, suppose three hydrogen atoms we have taken CH2, CH3, propane, or from each carbon suppose we have to replace one hydrogen Cl. Trihalogen, because it consists of three halogen atoms. Or this one is also we have to convert to trihalides. Suppose here we have to write Cl. Now it becomes 1, 2, 4 trichlorobenzene. So based upon the number of halogen atoms, they are classified as monohalogens, dihalogens, trihalogens. We are focusing only on the monohalogen derivatives in our syllabus. We have to detail study about the monohalogen derivatives. So now we have to study only about the monohalogen derivatives. We have to study only about monohalogen derivatives. Okay. Monohalogen derivatives. Monohalogen derivatives means it consists of only one halogen atom. That may be haloalkane, haloalkenes, haloalkynes, or that may be aromatic haloids. So now, based upon the halogen atom attached to this, now we have to study it based upon the hybridization state of the carbon to which halogen atom is attached. Now again we have to study classification of monohalides. Now this classification monohalogen derivatives, monohalides, that is classification based upon the nature of or hybridized state of carbon to which halogen atom attached. Means we know that may be attached to sp3 carbon, single bonded carbon. That may be attached to halogen atom attaches to sp2 carbon, that is a double bonded carbon, or it may be attached to triple bonded carbon, that is sp carbon. So again they are classified based upon the valence state of carbon. It may be halogen atom may be attaches to sp3 carbon. It may be attaches to halogen atom attaches to sp3 carbon. Now this nature of this carbon is sp3. Halogen atom attaches to sp2 carbon, or it may be attaches to sp carbon. In case of sp3 carbon, there are three types, three families are there. Which are three families are there? Alkyl halides. Alkyl halides. Okay. Second one is the right here. Second one is there. There is allylic halides. Allylic halides. And third one, there that is alkyl halide. First one, allylic halides. Second one, and third one, benzylic halides. Benzylic halides. So what is the difference between them? Here in three cases, alkyl halides, allylic halides, and benzylic halides, halogen atom attaches to sp3 carbon. While in case of alkyl halide, first we have studied about the alkyl halide. Alkyl halides. First one is the alkyl halides. Okay. So first we have studied about the alkyl halides. Here, hydrogen atom of alkane we have to replace by halogen. Means, suppose we have taken the parent hydrocarbon and alkane CnH2n plus 2 as the general molecular formula of alkane. And suppose we have to replace one of the hydrogen of alkane. Now it becomes one of the hydrogen we have to replace, so it becomes CnH2n plus 1. So there is alkyl group, alkyl, and that hydrogen we have to replace by X. So we know that this CnH2n plus 1 we have to write like this Rx. R means alkyl. Okay. So alkyl halides means hydrogen atom we have to replace from the alkane. One hydrogen atom of the alkane we have to replace by halogen atom. For example, CH3, ethane, that is you have to replace by Cl. So it becomes alkyl halide. Halogen atom attaches to sp3 carbon. Suppose CH3, CH2, CH3 and hydrogen atom, suppose we have to replace from here. Again this will be the alkyl halide. And third example, suppose we have taken CH3C, CH3, CH3, Cl. These all three examples are the alkyl halides. All the other three are alkyl halides. The difference is that these alkyl halides are further classified as primary alkyl halide, secondary alkyl halide, primary, secondary and tertiary alkyl halides. Primary alkyl halides, secondary alkyl halides, tertiary alkyl halides. We know that the primary carbon, secondary carbon, tertiary carbon, we have to study in the level science. That is halogen atom attaches here the primary carbon. Primary carbon is the carbon that is directly linked with only one another carbon. But this will be the secondary carbon because it attaches to another two carbon atoms. This nature of this carbon. This will be the sp3 hybridized state, but that carbon attaches to another next two carbon, and that's why there is the secondary carbon, secondary alkyl halide. This will be the carbon here sp3, but that attaches to three another carbon. That's why tertiary alkyl halide. Ethyl chloride, isopropic, or then also we called secondary propyl chloride. This is the tertiary butyl chloride. So here alkyl halides are further classified as alkyl halides. We have to further classify as primary, secondary, and tertiary. In short, we have to write like in general. Here we have to write R. Here we have to write R. This is the general case. Means there are number of carbon atoms, but halogen atom attaches to that carbon linked with another two carbon atoms. And like in general, we have to write like this. So this is the alkyl halides. It's a simple one here. Then we have to study about the allylic halides. Allylic. Second case is the allylic halides. Allylic halides. Allylic halides means halogen atom attaches to sp3 carbon, and that sp3 hybridized carbon atom attaches to next attached to the carbon-carbon double bond. Means like this: CH3, CH2, CH3. This one is the propane. We have to say that what is meant by allylic? Halogen atom attaches to sp3 carbon. Suppose this one is the sp3 carbon. And now this sp3 carbon next attaches to carbon carbon double bond. Okay, this one is the unsaturated system. So this compound is from the allylic halides. This one is the this compound related to the family of allylic halides. The common name of this compound is the allyl chloride. Allyl chloride. Allyl chloride. Like it is a haloalkene. We know that in the compound parent chain, it consists of carbon-carbon double bond. So according to skeleton, this one is the haloalkene. That is the haloalkane. This one is the haloalkene. But here, haloalkenes, it consists of two things. In case of haloalkenes, allylic halides as well as the vinylic halides. But in case of phenylic halides, carbon to which halogen atom is attached, that is the sp2 hydrides. Here we have to study the carbon in the sp3 hydrides state. So allylic halides means allyl chloride. This one is the first example. Suppose you write like this: CH2 double bond CH, CHCl, CH3. And suppose we have to write like this: CH2 double bond CH, CHC, Cl, CH3, CH3. All are allylic halides. Halogen atom attaches to the carbon, that is sp3, attaches to S doubly bonded carbon, unsaturated system. So allylic family, it is related to allylic family. Halogen atom, this carbon is sp3 hybridized and attaches to unsaturated system. So this family is related to this. All the compounds are related to allylic halides. The big difference is that here they are again classified as nature of carbon atom to which halogen atom is attached. That may be a primary, that may be a secondary, or that may be a tertiary. So there is halogen atom attaches to sp3 carbon, that is attached to unsaturated system. So that's why allylic halide. But here the nature of carbon is that the carbon link another only one carbon, and that's why it's the primary. The common name of this system is the allyl chloride. Only one compound have a common name, that is allyl chloride. Second one, this one is again halogen atom attached to the carbon, that is sp3, but that is attached to another two carbon atoms. So this is the secondary nature. So secondary allylic halide, and this one is the tertiary allylic halide. So we have to study nature. When we have to study the nature of carbon, this carbon linked with the carbon to which halogen atom is attached, it is linked with 1, 2 and 3 carbon. So this one is the tertiary allylic halides. So we know that in case of the IUPAC nomenclature, double bond halogen, first preference we have to give to double bond. And so in case of IUPAC it becomes 1, 2, 3, 4. So it becomes 3 chloro propionine. Name of this compound becomes 1, 2, it becomes 1, 2, 3, 4. So this one is the parent chain. So name of this compound becomes 3 chloro butadiene. And 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is the butene, means parent chain. And substitute there is a methyl. So it becomes 3 chloro 3 methyl but 1 So this is the classification of allylic halides: primary, secondary, and tertiary. First we have to study about the alkene halide. Then now we have to study about the allylic halides. Third thing is remaining there: alkene halide, allylic halides, and third one is there: benzylic halides. Benzylic means halogen atom attaches to. It is related to sp3. We have to study about the sp3 carbon. Benzylic halides. So what is about benzylic halides? Here halogen atom attaches to sp3 carbon, and that sp3 carbon next attaches to aromatic ring like this. This one is the aromatic ring, CH2 Cr. Suppose we know that the halogen atom attached to this carbon, the nature is sp3, and that attaches to aromatic ring. This one is attaches to aromatic ring. So that's why it is called as benzylic halide. This one is the first member of this family, and the common name of that compound is benzyl chloride. We know that this group we are called the benzene. This one is the benzene. Suppose we are write like this, then this becomes the phenene. This one is the phenene. This is the benzene. So this is the benzyl chloride. We have to modify this compound. Like suppose you have to write like this: CH, CH3, CH. Suppose you have to write like this. So again, it is clear that it is converted into primary, secondary, and tertiary. Means benzylic halides again classified as primary benzylic halides, secondary benzylic halides, and tertiary benzylic halides. हॅलोजन ॲटमच्या कार्बनला अटॅच टू sp3 तो नंतर अरोमॅटिक रिंग लाईट असेल तर बेन्झाईन हॅलोजन ॲटम sp3 कार्बनला आणि जर तो अलिफॅटिक अनसॅच्युरेटेड हायड्रोकार्बन लाईट असेल तर अलायनिक आणि हॅलोजन ॲटमच्या कार्बनला अटॅच टू sp3 आणि तो जर अल्केनचा हायड्रोजन रिप्लेस केला असेल तर तो अल्कील हलाइड आहे असा विषय याच्यात परत पहा याचं नेचर प्रायमरी आता समजून सांगितलं बऱ्याच वेळा प्रायमरी काय हा सेकंडरी आहे कारण हा 2 कार्बन अटॅच आहे हा टर्शियरी आहे कारण हा 3 कार्बन अटॅच आहे 1 2 3 right this the common name of this compound is the benzene chloride the basic name of this compound becomes we know that this one is the phenyl substitute is the phenyl and chloro so it becomes chloro phenyl methane chlorophenyl methane here methane is the carbon like this 1 2 this one is the parent chain so we have to select longest country chain 1 2 then it becomes 1 chloro 1 phenyl ethane and what is about this name of this compound so I think this is the tertiary we have to select the longest country chain 1 2 3 so what this becomes name of this compound becomes 2 phenyl sorry 2 chloro 2 phenyl propanol 2 chloro 2 phenyl propanol okay so this one is the classification of mono halogen derivatives here we have to remember about the halogen atom which is attached to sp3 carbon it consists of alkyl halide benzylic halides now we have to study about the benzylic halides and also we have to study about the allylic halides now halogen atom attaches to sp2 carbon sp2 carbon it consists of 2 groups are there 2 families related to here where halogen atom attaches to sp2 carbon like which are 2 families are there that is vinylic halides and another one is the aryl halides also called as haloaryls difference लक्षात द्यायला पाहिजे विनायलिक हलाइड हे पण हॅलोअल्किन्स असतात आणि अलायलिक हलाइड्स हे पण हॅलोअल्किन्स असतात फरक काय आहे तिथला जो हॅलोजन ॲटम आहे तो sp3 कार्बन लाईटाचे मग sp3 कार्बन डबल बॉन्डेड कार्बन लाईटाचे ते विनायलिक that is arylic now we have to study about the vinylic means here CH2 double bond CH2 here one hydrogen atom we have to replace by halogen now this becomes a vinylic means halogen atom directly linked with sp2 carbon this one is the aliphatic hydrocarbons sp2 carbon correct so suppose this one we have taken like I the name of this compound becomes vinyl iodide name of this compound becomes vinyl iodide because it is related to vinyl family suppose you have to write like this aromatic ring okay आता लक्षात घ्या समजा मी हा कंपाऊंड असा लिहिला इथे मी म्हटलो Cl आणि एखादा म्हटला इथं Cl ते दोघांच्या फॅमिली वेगवेगळ्या आहेत या हा कुठल्या फॅमिलीशी रिलेटेड हॅलोजन ॲटम अटॅचेस टू sp2 कार्बन सो इट इज phenylic halides it is related to phenylic halides while halogen atom attaches to the sp3 कार्बन हा sp2 कार्बन आहे पण हा विनायलिकशी रिलेटेड आहे विनायलिक halides आणि हॅलोजन ॲटमच्या कार्बन अटॅच टू sp3 आहे तो मग डबल बॉन्डेड अटॅच आहे हा कशाशी रिलेटेड असणार this is related to allylic halides allylic okay now we have to study about the vinyl so this one is the vinylic halide that's us so name of this compound is the chlorocyclohexene name of this compound is the chlorocyclohexene vinylic and aryl halide aromatic ring directly here halogen atom is directly attaches to aromatic ring हॅलोजन ॲटम अटॅच असणार, पण तो डायरेक्टली ॲरोमॅटिक रिंगला अटॅच असणार. याच्या आधी जो पाहिलं ॲरोमॅटिक रिंगला अटॅच नव्हता. हॅलोजन ॲटम पहिला sp3 कार्बन अटॅच आणि मग तो ॲरोमॅटिक रिंग. मग हे बेन्झाईल, दिस विल द बेन्झाईल, दिस विल द अलील हलाईड. गॉट इट? It is very important because sometimes in the entrance exam they are asked class which of the following compound is related to aryl halide, which of the following compound is related to vinylic halide, benzylic halides. So a very important thing is there. So aryl halide. So suppose chlorobenzene. You write this CH3Cl. So name of this component are that ortho. They are related to each other. Ortho. So ortho positions 1 2 position 1 2. The name of this compound orthochlorotoluene, or that is also called as 1-chlorotoluene. So name of this compound is like this, aryl halides. And the last one is there, halogen atom attaches to sp carbon. It consists of only one thing is there, haloalkynes, where halogen atom directly attaches to sp hybridized carbon atom, means it is attaches to carbon carbon triple bond, H C triple bond C X. Means suppose we have to write this way the acid is there. So we have to replace this hydrogen by halogen, suppose Cl, it becomes is related to haloalkynes. They are the derivatives of halogens. Haloalkynes. Name of this compound we have to write like this, chloroethylene. Or in case of common name system it is also called as acetylene chloride. Acetylene chloride. So this one is the classification of monohalogen derivatives. Okay, the very simple thing is that. Now we have to study about, in this chapter we have to detail study about the alkyl halides, and another thing is there, the haloarenes. Two sections are there, haloalkanes and another one is the haloarenes. Okay, so in case of nomenclature system, alkyl halide, common name system, common name is the alkyl halide, means we have to write the name of alkyl group followed by the word halide. It's a very simple thing is there, alkyl halide. And IUPAC name of this compound is haloalkane. Haloalkane means here we have to use the prefix that is a halo. Okay, and this is about the alkyl halides. And in case of aryl halides, IUPAC nomenclature is haloarenes. IUPAC nomenclature, aryl halides, they are named as haloarenes in case of common name system as well as in case of IUPAC nomenclature. IUPAC nomenclature also common name system also aryl halide जे असणार त्याला haloarenes म्हटलं जातं. Chlorobenzene, bromobenzene, iodobenzene, like this. So very simple thing is common name system IUPAC. Okay. In case of suppose we would write like this, CH2 double bond CH, CH2 Cl. So you know that I think it is related to allylic family. The first simple member of allylic family, common name system is the allyl chloride. Allyl chloride. Or according to IUPAC, 1, 2, 3. So this becomes 3-chloropropene. 3-chloropropene. Another name, CH3, CH double bond CH, Cl. दिसायला दोन्ही कंपाऊंड सारखे दिसत असतील काही जणांना, फरक आहे नाही का. हॅलोजन ॲटम sp3 कार्बन अटॅच, हॅलोजन ॲटम sp2 कार्बन अटॅच, इट इज रिलेटेड टू vinylic halides. So name of this compound becomes 1 2 3 1-chloroprop1ene. This is the name of this compound. There is no any common name. We have to study about the IUPAC. So IUPAC is there, 1-chloroprop1ene. Okay. Suppose we have to write like this compound, CH2Cl, benzyl chloride. मगाशी सांगितलं तुम्हाला बेन्झिल क्लोराइड किंवा हा पॅरंट द्यायचा, मग याला 1-chloro-1-phenyl मिथेन असे याचं नाव ई. ओके, तर हे आपलं शोधता ई. याची एक्झरसाइज, या इथपर्यंत टॉपिकची एक्झरसाइज मी तुम्हाला सेंड केली जाईल तुमच्याकडे, तुम्हाला ती प्रॉपरली सॉल्व करायला लागेल. ओके, तर इथपर्यंत टॉपिक आपण आता पाहू. थँक्यू.